just about done. And you guys want to know how many nails we picked up out of this driveway? What the heck is that?
I don't know what that is.
That looks like a full throttle cable. Lug nut. That's just from this run. I don't even know. Cotter pin maybe, washers. But look at the amount of nails and screws that we pulled out of the driveway today. That is a full brake piece. That's a connector to a truss. That looks pretty recent. That's a dime. It looks like it's a piece to brakes. But look at all the nails. Actually pretty impressed that we have not gotten more flat tires than what we have. So let me show you what else I've been working on today. So after grading the driveway, I started working on this thing. It had a broken spring in the passenger side, so actually I should introduce you guys to this. This has been my Toyota CAMRY wagon that I've had in storage for about 2 years, maybe a year and a half. And everybody's been telling me just to derby it because everybody kept saying, you're never going to get that thing on the road. You're never going to do any of this. Well, guess what? I've done a lot of work. Replaced a strut, but I put a Sienna strut in it just because that's the only strut I had that really wasn't derbied. So this side sits really tall. We put new blinker bulbs into each one of these. I got rid of the hydraulic cooling fan because there was an issue with it. So now we have an electric one with a relay. Don't worry, guys. I used lots of morettes. I have it wired to the car, so it's to a toggle switch on the inside, so I will just have to watch the temp gauge to turn it on and off and stuff like that. But honestly, this thing runs amazing. It handles really good. Interior's super clean. What else did we do to this? We put the trim pieces in. It had a taillight out, so we fixed the taillight today. We put a whole bunch of trim pieces back in here at the back, up here. So we did quite a bit of work to it. I cannot wait to wreck this car by throwing all my tools into it after work. Throwing all my friends in it, all 7 of us, once all this self-isolate 6 feet distance is over. Because it's a 7-seater wagon. So, kind of excited to be able to drive this thing down the road. Overall, not bad. It needs new axles, so I'm probably just going to go on Rock Auto. Buy 4 new struts, so 2 for the front, 2 for the back, new axles. I might even buy a wheel bearing, not sure. We're going to be stealing this little cover out of the other Camry that we have that will be the same part basically. And who knows, I might go get a 10-day on this. Brakes feel good, steering feels tight, air conditioning works, lots of stuff like that. But yeah. The only downside is this is a V6, and it's an old V6. But you know what? It purrs like a kitten, so whatever. But I think it's to the point now where we can go get a 10-day on it. See what she needs, drive it around for a bit. And I was told that there is a DMV open in Shelburne, Ontario. It's about a 35-minute drive away from my house. There's no DMVs closer to me that are open, because I've been driving on a 10-day now for about 8 or 9 weeks because the DMV in my town is closed because of this COVID thing. So they're letting you drive around with expired tags, so we'll see. And I'll head over to Shelburne and see what I can do with this thing tomorrow morning. I have the ownership for it, so I'll get it put into my name and everything like that. And who knows, maybe I might actually be driving this Camry wagon, because all you haters kept saying that I would never be able to drive this thing on the road, that I would just put it off to the side. But turns out it's going on the road. And you know what? I might just get Sienna front struts for this, because I like the lift kit. Be able to put all my tools in the back, and I can get bigger new struts for the back. You know what? It might just become a Sienna Camry. But that's what I've been doing on that. And yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Thing runs amazing. I already taken it for a boot down to my neighbor's and did some burnouts in his driveway, because you know that's what you do with a V6, right? Burnouts! The only thing that I do not like about this is the cup holder situation. These suck. How am I supposed to put a big gulp into that? But maybe we'll just drill a hole right about there and to fit my cup holders. But thanks for watching, everybody. I've been super bored lately. I've been so bored. I got the CAMRY wagon ready to go on the road. I graded the driveway. I brushed my dog. Did you get a good brush today, Harley? So yeah, driveway's looking good. Just not feeling working on the derby cars because I don't know where I can take any of them. But oh well. Wanted to keep you guys updated. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.